This is my bike check, track session. Fox 40 Performance Elites at the front. SRAM X01 carbon cranks. Hope pedals. Cushcore in the rear with Maxxis tyres. Just Maxxis tyres in the front, set up tubeless. DHX2 on the back. Carbon fibre Evo link. I have it in the slack setting now. Yeah, it's just got the coil spring in the Fox 40. Have the Fit for Grandpa, and so damper. GR2 I think it is, levers. With SRAM guides, rear and front, like front and rear. Bomb tracker bars and stem. SRAM GX7 speed cassette. Novatec hubs. And I'm not sure what the rims are, they're carbon, and yeah, thank you.